Alright, I'm going to show you how to assign costumes to classes and to students, and also how to edit sizes once you've assigned costumes. To assign costumes, select the Performances tab on the main menu, and then select Manage Costumes. Select Assign Costumes from the menu at the top, and you'll see a list of classes. The first class is highlighted by default. If you scroll down past that class, you'll see a list you'll see a menu that says Costumes Assigned To. These are costumes that you previously assigned to each class. So as you scroll through your classes, you'll see that some of the classes have costumes assigned, and some of them don't. So if you want to assign costumes to a class, click the Assign button next to the class that you want to assign costumes to. And you'll see a list of available costumes. These are the costumes you've added into Danceworks. You can either assign by student or assign to the entire class. If the entire class is wearing the same costume, you'll want to assign to the entire class. But if you have sets of students who are wearing different costumes for whatever they're doing, then you can assign to a specific student. So if you want to assign a costume to a specific student, click the Assign to Student button. And then use the checkboxes to select the students that you want to assign the costume to. Click the Assign button, and you'll see Costume Assigned Successfully at the bottom. This means that your costume has been assigned to those students. If you want to assign a costume to an entire class, click the Assign to Class button, and again you'll see Costume Assigned Successfully. That means that your costume has been assigned successfully to the entire class. Click the Back to Costume Screen button, and this will return you to the Assigned Costumes section. Now if you scroll down and see the costumes are assigned, you'll see that we've assigned this costume to the entire class, and then we've assigned this costume to these 3 students. If you assign a costume by mistake and you want to remove it, simply click the Remove button next to the costume you want to remove, and then click OK in the dialog box. And that costume will be removed from the list. Now if you've added costumes in and you've changed student measurements and you want to update their sizes, click the Update Sizes button next to the class whose sizes you want to update, and that will update the student sizes in these costumes that you've assigned. If you've entered measurements and you want to change the size of a costume, if a certain size doesn't fit according to its specific measurements, select the Edit Sizes button from the top menu. And you'll see a list of costumes you'll see a list of costumes that you've assigned to your students. I'm going to select this one. This is the last costume we assigned. So select the costume that you've assigned that you want to make changes to. And you'll see a list of students who the costume has been assigned to. Select the costume that you want to edit sizes on. And then as you scroll up, you'll see a list of students who the costume's been assigned to. To edit a size for a student, click the Edit button, and you'll see a drop-down menu with the costume size. Simply choose the new costume size and click Save to save that. If you want to clear costume information from a student, click the Clear button, and that will clear out all of the costume information. We're going to edit that and put that back in, and click Save to save that. Now if you want to update sizes from this screen, you can also update sizes from this screen by clicking the Update Sizes button next to any of the costumes whose sizes you want to update. And that concludes our video on how to assign and edit costume sizes. Please let us know if you have any problems with that.